Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. In this tutorial we're talking about topics. The login account is for HTML somebody and happens to be the vice principal. The vice principal has the capability of actually configuring topics that exist for different subjects in different classes. Now, we found out that this thing can be done using this dashboard. And the usefulness of this topic is that it's used while creating Scrabble, and also it is also made use of while creating CBT by the different subject teachers for the student to take. Now, when we want to create subjects, we will click on this button. You can click on this one to actually view the already created topics. Now, as you have clicked on this create topic, now we'll be presented with this interface. On this interface, we can enter the name of the topic and the description, the position, the identifier, and subject and class. Now we can select a particular class, that's SS2. And select the particular subject, let's say maths. The other feature is that we can import an Excel sheet into it, such a way that we can create many topics at the same time. That this here is a description of how the Excel sheets will look like, and if we click on this place, we'll have access to downloading the Excel sheets. Okay, the Excel sheet has come up and can save it on our computer. And when we have saved it, we click on this click on this, have access to it, and we can actually fill it up with the information. And select using the drop down, select the class. Using the drop down, select the subject, and then that will become easy for us to fill it with numerous rows, and we can create all the topic at the same time. And this will give us the vice principal the capability of actually delegation of this duty to another person to actually fill up that Excel sheet. And after the person has filled it up, then the vice principal will copy it and choose it from her own computer, place it on her computer, and place it on her own computer, and import it into the platform. And all the rows will be created as topics under the different classes and subjects, as the case may be. Now we have that the name of this topic we want to create is let's we call it progression series and progressions. The description will be something like this. Let's reduce the length of this text, and the position will be that is the, let's say, the seventh topic in the class. The identity, we can use anything as the identifier and write MT7 as the case may be. We can still use the abbreviation of this particular SP as the series and progression, or such as for mathematics and SS2. Click on save. When you click on save, it becomes one of the topics in SS2 for mathematics. Say the topic series and progression was successfully saved. Such as the description is the seventh topic in that particular class SS2 and mathematics. Then after saving of this topic, are supposed to be treated in mathematics for SS2. You can actually edit it if the case may be. If we need to edit any of these parameters because they have been entered wrongly, and you can go back or can click on this to view already created topics in the platform. And when we click on that, we need to specify the particular class we want to view the topics for. These are the existing topics, and we find out that we can use this particular export as Excel to export this full data and use it in terms of if we want to choose any particular way we think of. Then we can view by subject under different classes. If we click on this SS1 and mathematics, we find out that we'll be having only those ones that were created for SS1 mathematics. Now we have these ones as the SS1 mathematics topics. I can also receive SS2 mathematics topic. We find out that the one we just created is for SS2 mathematics, and we can do that and feed those ones and feed that particular one, and still download this, but only this SS1 mathematics as an Excel sheet onto our platform, and we can use that too. This is the one that we just created, and we found out that we can deactivate it or edit it as the case may be. We can go on and on in terms of the different classes and the different subjects of having in those classes. Thank you for actually checking out this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. And make sure to sign up on the scholars.